ओके. दोतोर फाल्यांच्यान वॅक्सिनेशन ते ज्या कोणाकडे आयडी ना त्याच्याकडे फाल्यां तुम्ही तांकां दिवपाक सोदता ते खंय खंय आसतले आनी कशें कितें आसतलें ते?
Now at present, we have almost all the criteria based on which we are doing vaccination. First of all, 18 and above, we are doing it all over Goa under the Tika Utsav 3, and all the centers are doing 46 centers, about 198 satellite centers we are moving around as per the needs of the panchayat. What was remaining is we had repeated requests for people who do not have any photo identity approved by the government किंवा ज्यांच्याकडे फोन नंबर्स ना अशा लोकांचे आमचे वॅक्सिनेशन उरलेले. सो नाव वी हॅव रिसिव्ड डायरेक्टिव्स फ्रॉम द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ, गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, आणि वी आर गोईंग अबाउट डुईंग द वॅक्सिनेशन फॉर सच पीपल. सो फाल्यां, दॅट इज सॅटर्डे, we are doing vaccination of such people in North Goa at two places. One is at Asagaon Gram Panchayat, and second is at Don Bosco High School, Panjim. या दोन कडेन with coordination with our respective collectors, we are doing vaccination. Collectors have identified facilitating officer आणि त्यांची फोटो आयडी आणि त्यांचे फोन नंबर यांचो यूज करून वी विल बी वॅक्सिनेटिंग द पीपल, इंडियन नॅशनल्स. आय वॉन्ट टू रिपीट वन्स अगेन, दोज हू आर इंडियन नॅशनल्स बट फॉर सम रिझन they do not have any photo identity or the phone number. या लोकांचे आम्ही फाल्यां वॅक्सिनेशन करपाक सुरवात करतात. देअर सेशन इज ऑर्गनायज्ड टुमॉरो. त्याच बरोबर नेपाली सिटीजन्स, when we say Indian citizens, the only other criteria which we are going to vaccinate tomorrow is Nepali citizens जे आमच्या इंडियन आसात आणि दे आर वर्किंग इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा, त्या लोकांचेय बी आम्ही वॅक्सिनेशन करपाचे आसा युजिंग द सेम SOP. So two places, one is Asagaon Gram Panchayat and second is Don Bosco High School, Panjim. So people have to come with whatever documents if they have to prove that they are Indian citizens, or if they have any proof to suggest that they are Nepali citizens. Plus आमच्याकडे ते facilitating officers असतले, they are appointed from the collector side. They will testify them and then we will be vaccinating them.
कितले दीस असे चालू उरतले जोपर्यंत डेटा येना तोपर्यंत?
Yeah. So this depends on the collectors collecting this data. I mean, the collector's office will collect this data, and as and when they have enough number of such people, I would say to organize one session, we need at least 100 people. It doesn't mean that we need to have minimum 100, but we would request that minimum 100 asche, but slightly less suda asle. That in coordination with the collector's office, we will organize such camps as and when collector's office requests us for such sessions. They will identify such beneficiaries, they will identify a facilitating officer, and then accordingly in a given locality we will immediately have such camps. The role from health department is to give a vaccinator and the vaccines. So any number of times we can have, provided we have enough number of beneficiaries. The same process will be repeated also in South Goa also. आणि त्यांच्या कलेक्टरांनी बी नावां बिवां सिलेक्ट केल्लीं आसात, but we have not organized the camp as yet. Maybe in the next week it will also happen in the South Goa.